Hi guys, welcome back to tonight's household, and today it's going to be very quick. Ready, Mark?
Yeah.
Yeah, 1 bottle of Sprite.
Sprite.
Oh, God. Try not to burp, drink it all. Ready? Three, two, one, go. Oh. Oh no. I can feel it. Oh, it's still there?
I managed to wait until you was done.
I don't even know how long that took me.
That was literally probably less than a minute.
Sorry.
I think I let all mine out in just one big, deep one.
What? 1 bottle of Sprite, drink without burping, successful?
Yeah. Well,
I didn't think that would be successful as it was.
same. I felt the need throughout the entire thing.
Yeah.
I was just constantly just like, no, don't do it, don't do it.
Right, this was a very short video today. Oh, by the way, I've past 4 weeks I've been a bit with anxiety because I thought I was losing my job. Thankfully, I've got another job, so hopefully we should be a bit more on track. Anyway, that was a quick video. If you'd like to see anything else, drop us a comment down below, like, share, subscribe and keep the lights household.
Join the Discord and whatnot. Links to all social media below.
And we'll see you in the next episode. Bye!
Try that. Do me a favour, you turn it off just check if... Am I improper?
Yep.
Okay, that's good then.